A seafood tower is a statement centerpiece. They look impressive, but are actually easy to execute with a few key steps. At Fulton Fish Market, we have the highest quality seafood perfect for any seafood tower. In this video, we'll guide you through everything from selecting your seafood to prepping and cooking and finally building that glorious tower. Typically, towers will include a mix of cooked and raw seafood. Today, we're going with the classics: oysters, clams, shrimp, crab, lobster, and caviar. We don't need to do any prep for the caviar, and our king crab legs come already cooked. So we'll start out by tackling the shrimp and the lobster. We're going to steam both of these with some aromatics for flavor, but you can also buy pre-cooked cocktail shrimp. For the lobster, we're using tails, but you can use the whole lobster and utilize the legs and claw meat. Once they're cooked, we'll transfer them to an ice bath to cool down. Our oysters and clams are the last things we'll do before we build our tower. We like using both East Coast and West Coast oysters for variety, and don't worry, we've got cocktail sauce and mignonette for the tower. For the clams, you can also shuck and serve these raw, or you can steam them if you prefer. Now we're ready to assemble this tower. We like to keep our cooked seafood like crab and lobster on one tier, our oysters on the half shell on another, and fill in the extra space with dipping sauces and our beautiful caviar. If you're running out of room and need to put raw and cooked on the same tier, just have a clear barrier between them. And there you have it, a gorgeous seafood tower that you can make in the comfort of your own home. If you like what you see and you want the finest seafood delivered straight to you, visit us at fultonfishmarket.com.